In this video, I'm going to show you how to install mud flaps on your Tesla Model Y.
So here are the mud flaps that I got, base nor.
Uncertain why Tesla omitted rear mud flaps, I installed them for better protection against mud and debris. Mud flaps prevent spray, keeping the car cleaner and reducing the need for frequent washing. Additionally, the front OEM mud flap was too long, causing occasional scraping on my driveway.
It's gonna look something like, let's see, it's gonna look something like that, like this. Let's just clean off all the dirt first.
I used a pry tool to first remove the plastic rivets. There are just 2 in each of the front mud flaps. Just a note, removing the wheel is optional. I just removed mine as I was swapping out to Winters.
Okay, so once you've popped off the little rivets, see what happens. Alright, that was pretty easy. Okay, so here are the new mud flaps I'll be installing. And here are the old Tesla ones. The aftermarket mud flaps came with a bag of screws. There are these clips here.
There's a tab at the top of the mud flap you first have to snap in.
So this clip, okay, they just pop in. Alright, so we're going to put them in the holes. Right, these ones to the hole, and then these plastic screws, just put them into place. Just gonna lightly tap them in. Push them in. Alright, so overall, it's on there pretty securely. No gaps at all. Okay, now to install the rear mud flap on the Tesla Model Y, what we're going to do is first remove this bolt here, and then we're going to remove these 2 clips, along with this nut right here. This is a 10mm. First we're going to clean it up, so I just have a regular brush here. Now with my metal pry tool, remove these clips. There's 2 of them. So 1. And 2. And then we're going to remove this little washer plastic nut here. Now this mud flap basically going to go through this hole here, top. Then this will clip onto the existing fender, and then the 2 new rivets, and make sure the bottom attaches to here with your 10mm. So honestly, the hardest part is trying to get it through here and this, and wedge it between this plastic here. Okay, so you saw what I did is I just put that in first and then slotted that in afterwards. Made it a lot easier. Washer that I just took off. Plastic nut, we're gonna screw that back in. The provided metal clip, we're gonna slide it through here. The 2 rivets, 1 there and 1 here. Hold it. There it is. Plastic screw in. Slides right in. Sometimes a little tough. You just have to push it in a little harder. One, 2. Secure this clip again. And that's it. If you look at the fit here, everything pretty much aligns. Very nice. Really secure. And now I've got the flaps in the back.
So you will repeat the same install process for the other side mud flaps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more Tesla content. See you in the next one.